Thank you for logging on and uploading your MRI films to Regenxx and the Centeno Schultz Clinic. This instructional guide will give you the tools you need to upload your MRI, and so that you do not have to mail it, and it can be sent right to our servers, and then we can arrange for a phone conference with the physician. The first step is to convert your MRI CD into a compressed file. Compression is a very handy tool that will help move these data files through the internet securely to our servers. Because of the size of these files, it's necessary to compress them. So the first thing you want to do is put in your MRI into your CD drive, and some have a autoplay option which will pop up. So if that does, you'll want to hit the open folder to view files. You do not want to run it. If you run it, you'll see it starts a program. That's called an exe file. But the best way to access these files is to open the folder. If you put in the DVD or CD and it automatically runs, just close it down, hit the Start My Computer, find the proper drive that the CD is in, right-click it and click on Open. Not Play, but Open. From there, you should see some type of list of files. On this particular file, there was 21 files in this CD. You'll then be able to view all of those files stored on that MRI CD. At that point, what you want to do is select all of the files. And when we say all, we mean all. You need all of the files or the program will not run correctly. So the best thing to do is to select the top file, whether that's a folder or a file. Then hold down the Shift key and click End on your keyboard. This will then highlight all of the files in this CD. Then you'll right-click on the shaded area, hit the Send To, and then Compressed or Zipped folder. The desktop is probably where you'll default to, but please take note of where these are compressing. If it doesn't say where it's compressing, after it's done compressing, check your desktop because that's the default for Microsoft products. Step 2 is, now that you have zipped that file or compressed that file, we need to upload that information to the Regenxx database. This is a secure database that only we have access. It's all password protected, and will take about anywhere, depending on your speed, 10 to 20 minutes. So be prepared to stick around, and you obviously don't have to babysit it at your computer, but it does take time to upload this. So the first thing, once you have decided you're going to upload it, you need to discuss this with our staff. Give us a call. We'll send you a link to your own customized folder in the Regenxx share file database. And then you'll be notified via email that it's been added to your system. So this is a sample of what it looks like. It gives you a username and a password. And then where it says click here to view the folder, that's where you can start uploading it. So it will have your username, which is your email address, a temporary password that you will use to log on to the share folder, which can be changed as soon as you get on, and then a direct link to the share folder. If for some reason that link doesn't work, just copy and paste that below link and put that in your internet browser. So then you'll see something like this screen here that says patient name here, and you can see the cursor is on upload files. That is where you're going to be able to select the files and upload them to our server. This page will allow you to upload whichever files you want to the share folder, including your MRI data films and medical history. So that's where you're going to click for that start of the upload. Then you'll get some type of file like this. All you need to do is press this Choose Files, Select the compressed folder from your desktop and click Open, and this will add your file with the extension zip on the end into this box that says Files. You can select additional files like your MRI report or your medical history exam in the same way. And you can put them all in the same upload. It'll just start listing it in this files. Okay? You can choose to be notified via the email after the completion. Right here, you'll want to click so that if you really want to know to make sure that it was uploaded, it'll send you an email to the email on file. And then you want to click this Upload Files button, and away goes your MRI to Broomfield, Colorado. So you'll be able to monitor the progress of the upload while the files are being transferred to the Regenxx database in the next screen. Here it shows that 18% of this 42 megabyte has been transferred, and it gives you an estimate of how many minutes and seconds are remaining to this upload. So to proceed with your review with one of our physicians, please be sure that you've submitted this MRI imaging either electronically, or if for some reason you can't get this to work, you can always ship it. You can ship it to us via just regular mail. Your MRI report, which if you look in your MRI program, it should be in there. Most of them put them in there, but there are thousands of different MRI centers and different software, so you'll want to make sure that that MRI report is in there. You'll want to make sure you filled out your medical history form. This is located at this link here, and you should have gotten this link in some of the emails from us. And then you need to submit a phone review fee. This is $200 either by credit card over the phone, or you can mail a check to the clinic. That $200 will be applied to your procedure if you do come out to Colorado and receive the Regenxx treatments. So I want to thank you for considering the Regenxx family of procedures. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 303-495-4014. And have a good day.